the unit of power. Unit of the power. Unit of the power is equal to watts. Is equal to watts. Unit of the power is equal to watt. Watt is equal to what? Watt is equal to joule per second. Joule per second. Joule per second. Watt is equal to joule per second. Joule per second, have you understood or not? Joule per second. This is the joule per second. Now what is this? Energy. Electric power means energy. That is energy which you can solve, power can solve by these three formulas. Work by time, I square times R, V square by R for getting power. Here the power unit is power. Unit of power is equal to watt. Watt is equal to joule by second. Joule by second. Okay na? Here is little bit positive. I can make unit of power. Power is equal to work done per unit to time. Watt by time. Power is equal to watt by time. Here watt is equal to joule per second. Joule per second. Here we have made a trigonometric diagram, that is sin theta is equal to power is equal to work by second, and ampere is equal to coulomb by second. Units, these are the units you must remember it. Voltage is equal to W by work by charge or coulomb. This is the triangle. Here we will have to make a POW. POW is the numerical formula. You must remember for units. If you remember, you can catch it. Suppose here tube light has 60 watts. 60 watts and 120 volts. What is write down? What is resistance? What is the resistance? What is the resistance in this bulb? Resistance in the tube light. In the tube light. Write down by using the formula. Tube light. Tube light we use. Here is what is given. W is equal to what is that? What is that? Here we know watts. What is given? What is equal to ఏంటి అక్కడ ఫార్ములా? What is equal to V by Q కదా? What is equal to V by Q కదా? E by Q. వోల్టేజ్ ఎంత? ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? 60 వాట్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఇక్కడ V by R కూడా రాయొచ్చు. 60 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇక్కడ ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు? P ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏం రాయండి? P ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు P స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ ఫార్ములా రాయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? వాట్స్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఇది ఇచ్చాడు. P స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు I స్క్వేర్ R. ఈ ఫార్ములా చూడండి స్టాప్. ఈ ఫార్ములా చూడండి. బల్బు 120 volts bulb I have given. Here you are asked what is the resistance of that tube light. A bulb. Okay. A bulb. Okay. Here I ask what is that P? What is the formula? P is equal to I square by R, or P is equal to V square by R, or P is equal to work by time. These are the three formulas which you have to use while doing the electricity problems. These are the very important. Here what is given? P is measured in wattage. 60 watts is given here. 60 watts is equal to what is the formula here? We have P square by R. Voltage is given. That's why we have been asked resistance. Resistance is equal to R is equal to 120 into 120 by 60 is equal to 240 ohm meter per hour. Here I have given 10 watts bulb. 10 watts means how much? P is equal to, right? Here P is equal to formula, right? P is equal to V square by R. What is P? P is equal to 10 watts. P is equal to 10 watts and V square is equal to 120 volts into 120 volts. 120 volts by R we have to find. Then if we exchange this, R is equal to 120 into 120 volts by 10. Here if we cancel 0, 20s are how much? 20s are how much? Resistance is more. 12 0 0, 12 12s are 144. This is what is that? 1440. What is that? 1440 ohm meters. 1440 ohm meters. 1440 ohm meter. What is the unit to write? What is the unit which you use in the houses? What is the unit to which you had in your houses? That is unit is equal to, what is the unit? Unit is equal to kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour. Here watt is equal to what? Watt is equal to watt is equal to kilo means 1000 watt hour. 1000 watt hour. What is this? What is that? Then what is equal to 1000 into 1000 joule per wattage is equal to joule per second. And then I have understood. The hour is in seconds here. Joule per second. Next watt hour is equal to watt hour. This is not watt hour. This is also watt hour. Watt hour. They are called it to unit. Unit is equal to 1000 watt hour, or unit is equal to 1000 joules per second. Unit is equal to here. One unit is equal to 1 unit is equal to 1000. How many hours? How many joules? Joules per second. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜೂಲ್ ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎన్ని సెకండ్స్? 3600 సెకండ్స్ కదా. 3600 సెకండ్స్ ఇంటూ జూల్ ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ. జూల్ పర్ సెకండ్. 1000 joules ఇంటూ సెకండ్. అది 1000 joules ఇంటూ సెకండ్. 1000 joules into second means 3600 second. Then what is that? This is how much? 1000 into 3600 seconds. 3600. And what is that? 0 0 0 0. What are the two joules? Those are the second is here. Changed into this unit joules. How do you write in this scientific notation? 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules is the 1 unit. And 1 unit is equal to any joules? How many joules you consumed? 36 lakhs 1000 joules you consumed per unit. 36 lakhs joules are consumed in 1 unit of household consumed 36 joules consumed in 1 hour. 36 joules are consumed in 1 unit for 1 unit in 1 hour. That is in 1 hour. In 1 hour, that is unit. That is unit. Which is unit. Hmm.